Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Financeable, where we upload videos related to finance, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to cancel bet on Betway. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, open your web browser, then at the search bar type in betway.com. Once you type it in, it will take you to this website. Now on this website, click on this login button. Then you have to enter your login credentials in these boxes, so go ahead and do that. And in case if you have forgotten your password, you can click on this link to reset it. Once you have done so, click on this login button. Then you'll be logged into your account. Now once you're logged into your account, let me explain how you can do it. First of all, you can't cancel your bet within the app using any features. That feature is not available yet, but I hope they will add it soon. What you can do is click on this support button, then click on help. Once you get to this page, click on this icon where it says contact us. Then click on this link where it says how to contact Betway. Now, they will give you an instruction on how you can contact them. Follow this instruction, then click on the link where it says click here to launch live chat. Once you're on live chat with Betway support team, you can explain your problem to them that you want to cancel a bet, and don't forget to give your reason, and if they find your reason genuine, they will help you cancel your bet. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. And I'll catch you on the next one.